Hello children, good morning and welcome to the lesson. Today is Tuesday, the 5th of May. Today, what's the weather like? Good. It's very sunny and very hot. It's a fantastic day. Okay, and what time is it? Now it's 9 o'clock. I don't know what time it is for you. What time do you wake up? Good. Okay, today, children, we're going to talk about opposites. Opposites. What are opposites? In Italian, you say contrari. Yeah, opposites. Tall, short, fat, thin, big, small, black, white. These are opposites. Now, before we look at those opposites, let's just check the homework from Friday or Thursday last week. I asked you to write sentences with what in the correct order. So I'm going to quickly read the answers for you. 1. What's your name? 2. What colour is it? 3. What day is today? 4. What's the weather like? 5. What is it? 6. What time is it? 7. What are you wearing? 8. What are you doing? 9. What's your favourite colour? And 10. What do you do on Monday? Where? Dove. Number 1. Where is it? 2. Where are they? 3. Where do you live? 4. Where is the bathroom? 5. Where is my pen? 6. Where is your school? 7. Where are the pens? 8. Where is your school? 9. Where are the children? And 10. Where is the supermarket? Okay, now keep these questions because maybe one day I will ask you to write the answers. Okay, now today we're talking about opposites. Opposites. So, for example, the traffic light is red and here the traffic light is green. So this is stop and go. They're opposites. The Queen is rich. The girl is poor. Opposites. The elephant is big. The mouse is small. Opposites. The plane is fast. The car is slow. Opposites. The snake is long. The pencil is short. Opposites. The pig is fat. The fish is thin. Opposites. Now, you know some of these words because 2 weeks ago you wrote sentences. For example, it is a fat pink pig. It is a long green snake. It is a fast yellow plane. Ricordate when I told you that first the adjective and second the colour. Okay, now we're going to look today at our books, Global English Learners book at page 127. Come and have a look at page 127. Now we have here on page 127 some opposites. Opposites. Now, these words are opposites. These are probably new words. Dirty and clean. What do they mean? Look at the pictures. Clean, pulito, and the opposite is dirty. This is you when you've been playing football at break time. Then noisy, noisy. For example, to be is a noisy class. And quiet. Be quiet, the girl is sleeping. So these are opposites. Now, I want you to look at the poem here and see if we can guess the opposites. For example, the opposite of yes is no. Cioè il contrario di sì e no. The opposite of stop is, it's a word that rhymes with no. Stop and go. The opposite of good is bad. The opposite of happy is sad. Good. Can you see that? The opposite of hot is cold. The opposite of new is old. Good. The opposite of wet is dry. Wet è umido, bagnato. And the opposite is dry, asciutto. The opposite of hello is goodbye. Goodbye. Now, let's read that again. The opposite of yes is no. The opposite of stop is go. The opposite of good is bad. The opposite of happy is sad. The opposite of hot is cold. The opposite of new is old. The opposite of wet is dry. The opposite of hello is goodbye. Okay, now you can complete that later. Now, if you look at your activity book on page 105 for homework, you just have to complete this cruciverba, this crossword, with the words big, bad, hot, down. Remember, up and down, stand up and sit down, stop, noisy, new, and happy. Now, this arrow means in this direction, and this arrow, questa freccia, in this direction. So I'm going to give you one example. One, in this direction. The opposite of good. Now, the opposite of good, one, is, eccolo, bad. So I'm going to write bad here. Now, number two, in this direction, the opposite of up. Number two, up and sit down. Okay, we have the first letter, down. Okay, so that's your homework. Now, I have for you also 8 more words. White, black, day, big, small, short, night, and tall. Now, the first thing is to find the opposites. For example, white and black are opposites. Then we have day and night are opposites. Then I have big and small, opposites, and short and tall are opposites. I want you now to write in your exercise books, though, a very short poem like this. For example, you have to find the words that fanno rima. White fa rima con night. Day, no, small, fa rima con tall. So, with these matching, rhyming words, I can write the poem. Just like this. The opposite of black is white. The opposite of day is night. The opposite of big is small. The opposite of short is tall. Okay, so you try to do this. It's not easy, but if you look at the poem here and find the matching words, white and night, know and go, tall and small, like sad and bad. So all you do is substitute these words here. Okay, so you have 2 homework today. The little poem and to complete page 105. Okay, children. Now there are 2 videos for you to watch today. One is a song, which you're going to see now, and the other video, which you saw before, is explaining the opposites. So you have a lot to do today. Okay, children, see you tomorrow. Have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.